Now, welcome back. Let's have a look at Bitcoin then, shall we? So Bitcoin's been doing some crazy stuff, and it's this fight for this golden cross is still not over. It's not over at all. It's a real battle going on at the moment. So basically, just a recap: the green and the white making this cross here, forming a golden cross. If it was to close, sort of, let's just say around here, and then I'd say, to be honest with you, to really have a confirmation of that golden cross, not only does it have to cross, but we'd really want to see the 200 exponential cross this descending yellow, and that would really be I wouldn't say a buy signal, but a very positive signal to place some longs. Now, I'm not your financial advisor, it's not financial advice. I'm in two minds over this really, because there's such a battle going on, and we're getting towards the end of a cycle low. I would expect that this price still comes down to test 10,000 and break it, but our first attempt to get close to 10,000, which was here, found an extremely strong rejection, or should I say support. I call it rejection because I was holding a short really. It got liquidated with I had to have a very tight stop loss on it, so pretty much cancelled itself out. But I'm still expecting it to go down here again, test this once again and break, but this battle is extremely strong at the moment, and it's not really sure which way it wants to go. Like I say, we were rejected here on this 200 simple, but we were rejected down here on the almost 10,000, just above. Just got a front run on that one a little bit. If this golden cross forms, and if this white exponential crosses this, then really what we're looking to do is find another test up to this area of this blue box territory. To be honest with you, the way that we are right now, we'd have to break the descending trend, which is just short of 11,000. If that breaks, then that's pretty. I'd say that's a pretty decent sign of making a recovery out of this descending trend that we've got, this consolidation pattern that we've got going now. And then once we've broken above this 11,200, we should be clear to at least 12,000 before some kind of rejection. So that's pretty much where we stand at the moment. Looking at it on a very sort of relatively small time frames, we're looking at it now on the 4 hourly. It looks like there is actually more movement to the up, and if we can just have a quick look on the 5 minutes, we can see that, you know, it's not being sold off that fast, and the peak here was pretty much exactly where we collapsed from yesterday, so just short of that sell area there that we had yesterday. So it's a really interesting battle going on right now. Just on this 5 minute chart, it looks as though, even though we're sort of coming down from it now, it does look as though we're wanting to make another move to the upper actually. So it wouldn't surprise me if we try to push further up, higher. Where would that perhaps maybe fall down at? Well, in this blue box, I'd probably say 10,600, and if we can get into there with such a big push like we did here, we're looking for rejections anywhere within this blue box, and if we break out of that, we're pretty much on our way to break that trend. So I'm going to keep my finger on the trigger, see where we go from here. Not going to make any big bold moves until we've sort of breached certain levels. I'd suggest everybody else be careful with what they do as well. It's a really tense moment really for a trader. You've got to wait for which direction he wants to go, and if that 10,000 breaks, then yeah, we're looking at pretty big lows. If that 11,000 breaks, we're looking for decent recoveries. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Have a nice day. Take it easy. Goodbye.